This video was sponsored by Enhance, Elbilmek, ABRP Planner, Kempower and Bilkomponenter. Smart #5. I booked it in about 1 month. This is Brabus. We're gonna check it out. Just a quick first impression. What does it look like? It actually has a front. Okay size. And then here in the interior, I'll check it out once these guys are done. So it's based on the Seeker 7X battery. How do you open the trunk? Is there usually a trick here? It was weird on this. Oh, I forgot here. Yeah, just like in the #1. So Isabel is over there now. I'm just have to pay attention to her. So it has okay sized trunk. And there's probably, oh, I see it. It has a ski opening there. Not that big though. And then, you see here, we have a space under here. Ooh, that is quite big. Very spacious. Wow. And then, okay, charge port. They made it, oh, oh wow, it's electric. Which means that once you drive, it should probably close by itself then. So it's, you know, it kind of, is it kaput? Okay, no, you just tap, you just hold it there and then click. It has that Kia Soul vibe. It's quite boxy. It's different though. You can choose when you want. If you don't want the Seeker 7X, you can get the awesome charging speed and the battery in here instead. Huh? How about that? Here's the spec, all-wheel drive. Wow, 637 horsepower. 3.8, this is schnell. Battery capacity, okay, in 80 minutes. In the back seat, Sennheiser. We have adjustment here. What is this? Oh, okay. Seems to be seat heater there. All right. Nice interior. But you see, unlike the 7X, which has the window cover here, shade thing, and here it doesn't have it. Sorry, I have a mascot here. She wants to climb around there. So she's been sitting still too long now. So now she wants to activate acoustic glass in the back even, probably also in the front. A nice interior. Actually, okay seat height here. Doesn't feel too low. 2 USB-C there. That's actually 60 watts. Wow. And then here, the lid that stays on. Nice. And then, okay, the window cover shade. You can close it or open it. We have light here. This is like, you know, airplane light style. Center console goes down here. There's a table here. Ah, Isabel, and then ski opening. Somewhat small, but wait. Huh? How do you open this? Oh, like this. Okay, my bad. Okay. Okay, space here. And then how do you okay, if you go upward now. Straight. Trying to go up there, go upright. Doesn't go that much upright. Okay. Does it have soft close though? What? Okay, I'm not sure if no, it doesn't have soft close, unlike the Seeker 7X. I get the impression that the 7X is better equipped than the Smart. The Smart might have other qualities. It has this Mercedes style, you know, the adjustment on the side here. But then still the Smart design on the, I don't know what you call it, the round stuff, the round shape all over the place. Also rails here for cargo load. And I haven't checked the anhakakopplung, but it should be here, right, in the back somewhere. There you can fold the seat with a button. I haven't found out where the tow hitch button is. Maybe it doesn't have it here. You would expect that there would be something here, right? Actually, this doesn't have a tow hook. And it seems to be somewhat low in the ground clearance also. Isabella is looking. She's gonna be a good videographer eventually. Oh, you what? This car is kind of busy, but whatever. I'm gonna check it out later. But just show you interior. We don't have to do the full interior view over here. Just get like a first impression. The LED, the red LED, 2 layers, the screen. It's different. It is definitely a different design. I like that there is slight tilt on the screen. Let me show you here. See, it's a slight tilt on the screen. It's not horizontal like the EAA and the shooting brake. You know, they were very horizontal. All right, looking good, looking good. Can't wait to test it out.